Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing a 75-inch KandFConcept lightweight tripod. This is an excellent tripod for mobile or small studio, beginner style videographers. It even comes with a little hook underneath for you to stabilize it for weights or accessories and such. I purchased this tripod from Amazon, and I'll have the link at the description if you're interested in checking it out. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and unbox this, and I'll let you know what I think about this tripod. Again, it's a lightweight tripod. Comes with a remote, cell phone clip, everything you need to get started. You can use it for live streaming, vlog style videos. All right, comes with a carry case, video head. You can go portrait or landscape. Nice locking mechanism for the base. It's all made out of plastic. The screw seems a little flimsy, but it can get the job done. No worries. Again, this is a lightweight tripod. Very cool. What else comes with this? This is definitely not a screwdriver. It's a little video arm. Comes with 3 legs and an additional plate for a secondary camera. Let's get these out of the box. Oh, these are those, for uneven surfaces to get the perfect stabilization. All right. Let's see what else I get with this. Remote control for the camera. It's a basic. Again, another plastic base plate for the secondary attachment. All right, let's see what else comes out of it. All right, here's the phone holder. It appears to be double-sided. Oh yeah, it's a tablet holder as well as a phone holder. Very cool. Has a spring mechanism, all padded so it doesn't damage your device. 1/4-inch mounting jack on top and at the bottom. This is really nice. I never seen something like this, but takes phone and tablet. You can actually put your tablet, if you have an iPhone, you can see what you're recording on your phone's good camera. Very cool. So you can use 2 devices at the same time. A user manual. Very cool. All right, let's get this cleared up. Let's get the bag opened. I'm gonna put these aside a little bit. Put these little nifty gadgets. I like that it comes with a bag. And here's the tripod. It's very well packaged, you guys. Alright, what does it say? Tripod S25A3 plus BV01. Must be the model number. Here's the tripod itself. Looks like a bronze color, some sort of aluminum. And this is what I like a lot. This little clamps to extend the legs. Makes the job super easy. I prefer these over the screw-on type clamps. And this thing goes up to 75 inches. It's incredible. And there's a nice little level up top. They got branded over here, KandFConcept. Nice spongy material. go ahead and mount the head. Huh. Super easy. Alright. Tighten this up so I can tighten this really good. Okay, perfect. And there are numerical values here. I don't know if you can see it right down here. Tells you how many degrees is it turned and things like that. And let's put this thing on. Again, the branding is on the handle. It's a very nice little tripod. And here's that hook at the bottom. See that hook? Plastic. I wish it was made out of metal. You know, I can see that breaking down the road, but for the time being, should be just fine. And like this. And then remove this. And mount this. Boom. So you can easily, just for demonstration purposes, you can mount your phone. Oh, let's lock this up. You twist this to tighten up. Simply, you mount your phone like this, so you don't have to use the front-facing camera. One in the screen, and you mount this like this, and then say you have a tablet like mine. This is a huge tablet, by the way. It's a Samsung Tab S8. See if it's gonna fit. Oh wow, it fits. So this is the concept of using it. You basically use the cameras up here and then monitor it on the tablet. I think it's a great concept when you think about it. That way you use it like a field monitor. Of course, if you have an iPhone, it'll be perfect with the AirPlay directly to an iPad. My wife has an iPad, so I'll probably use hers for this. All right, let's remove this head. It's all made out of plastic. And of course, what you need to do is before, I didn't do it at the beginning, but before you start using this, you might want to mount these legs. Is basically by twisting them. Like I said, it's my first KandFConcept tripod in this nature. My main tripod for as far as mobile tripod goes is made by Small Rig. I have the video in my YouTube channel. If you're interested, you can go ahead and check it out. And I also have some cell phone tablets, but what I like about this is using this gadget with the phone and the tablet. So using tablet kind of like a field monitor. What I can do is I can use my older tablet as a field monitor for this. So yeah, this is how it goes. See, these legs are kind of swivels, which is perfect for uneven surfaces. Boom. All right, let's check out this remote. It's an average remote. You get this remote with selfie sticks and things like that. It has a nice little loop on it. Probably it has a CR2032 battery on it. You basically pair this via Bluetooth with your phone, so you can go ahead and start recording. Well, it's a very nice tripod, under $40. I mean, I think currently $35. You can't do any better than this for that price. I want to remove this thing. I'm looking forward to using this. If you have any questions, go ahead and feel free to shoot. I'll do my best to answer your questions. Also, if you're interested in this tripod, I have the link at the video description for you. Feel free to go ahead and check it out. And if you ordered through that link, you'll be helping out to my channel without any additional cost to you. So thank you. And if you like this video, please like and share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I hope I was able to show you guys something interesting today. Thank you for watching Teos Tech. I'll see you on the next video.